Whether you've been working out for a while or just beginning your workout journey, it's possible that you've heard of taking a pre-workout supplement. Pre-workouts are nutritional supplements that you can take before exercising. The use of these supplements has been suggested to help you perform better while engaging in your workout routine. If you've never used pre-workout before, you might be curious about how they work and what ingredients they contain. What does pre-workout do? There are a few things that these types of supplements claim to do, including improving your energy levels, enhancing your performance during exercise, helping with post-workout recovery, prepping your body for workouts, reducing exhaustion or the chance of training injuries. Pre-workouts can come in different forms, and they also vary in terms of the ingredients they contain. Ingredients in dietary supplements for exercise or athletic performance range from vitamins and minerals to proteins and plant-based ingredients. There are 21 different types of ingredients that may be used. Some of them are naturally occurring either in your body or plant or animal-based foods. However, not all of them work for enhancing your performance. Some of the ingredients that normally might be used in a pre-workout supplement are caffeine, BCAA, nitrates, creatine, beta-alanine. Caffeine is a stimulant that may help cognition and performance during exercise by reducing fatigue. BCAA thought to improve muscular endurance and reduce muscle damage caused by exercise. Nitrates increase the flow of blood to muscles that you are actively using. Creatine improves performance and helps with challenging adaptations in training. Beta-alanine enhances exercise at the high intensity level by reducing buildup lactic acid that cause fatigue in athletes. It's important to know that ingredients are in your pre-workout of choice. You'll want to check the label to ensure that all ingredients are listed with the amounts of each ingredient clearly indicated. Additionally, dietary supplements should only include dietary ingredients. No pharmaceutical ingredients are permitted in supplements. Companies that make supplements are also not allowed to say that the supplements can be beneficial in diagnosing, treating, curing, or preventing diseases. Pre-workout supplements are not recommended for everyone. Supplements used to help performance are for adults only in the majority of situations. Although the FDA does not review or approve exercise and athletic dietary supplements, the agency does regulate them. Beyond prescription medications, other ingredients that can be inappropriate for use in dietary supplements include stimulants, steroids, hormone-like ingredients, other controlled substances such as opioids, depressants, hallucinogens. Some ingredients are no longer allowed to be in dietary supplements because the FDA has deemed them unsafe and because they have no research support for their effectiveness. Though some pre-workout supplements can be helpful for performance, it's important to ensure that they are not substitutes for nutrients you get from your diet like vitamins and minerals, carbohydrates, proteins, fats. If you are exercising for a long periods of time or in environments where you lose a lot of fluids, staying hydrated is another way to perform at your best. Additionally, having proper physical conditioning and training can boost performance as well. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, and share.